Capstone Green Energy makes a microturbine-based solution, which is a clean energy device that saves customers both on their electrical costs, their thermal energy costs, and saves carbon. So as we like to say, we save customers money and we save the planet. The Magens Junction project in St. Thomas is a great installation for us, and I see it really as kind of the future of green energy and how customers can take care of their energy needs.
The client, Jackson Development, reached out to Efinity Distributed Generation to increase their power reliability and lower their operating cost. When there are weather events or hurricanes, they need to make sure that they can sustain and have power.
The Virgin Islands is in a hurricane zone, so as you know, in 2017 we got hit with 2 Cat 5 hurricanes, and the infrastructure, the island grid system was down until months after when the infrastructure went up. So we figured by putting in our own energy plant, we would be independent of the grid system. So in the event of a catastrophe like a hurricane or something like that, our resident can have power up and running, and we can serve the units with our own energy system.
This is a hurricane-hardened power plant, which means it will run through hurricane winds up to 180 miles an hour.
The site here is 100% self-sufficient. Basically, we are their utility company. The customer is not hooked up to the local utility, which is VIHFA. The grid in St. Thomas, if anyone's not familiar, it's very mountainous terrains. The utility grid is above ground. It's subject to grid outages that happen very frequently. Power here tends to be anywhere from 10 to 15 times more expensive. And we're able to self-generate this power with the microgrid at a cost that's a third of what the local utility is. So the system is comprised of 150 kW of solar PV, which is on the roofs of the 2 buildings behind me, and there's also a ground array, and 455 kW of Capstone microturbines that run off of propane fuel. In addition, we also have a diesel backup engine that in the event the entire microgrid failed, we would continue to provide power.
Jackson Development here selected a 15-year fixed service contract with Efinity. We monitor the entire system, every component, remotely, and then we'll do planned and unplanned service to the assets.
So we are 100% pleased with Capstone and Efinity and the marriage here at Magens Junction. I think without them we won't be able to provide the energy sufficiency that we provide here to over 108 residential units here. Capstone and Efinity is the way to go, and we really appreciate working with them.